Sanibona, kuyabanda kusebusika, kodwa ke okumnandi. So besine Faith Revival 25, Faith Revival 25 East London. Iba once a year njengoba next year ama-date akhona sekhona futhi okumnandi siyahamba nabantwana abazukulu bethu. Akona ukuthi isonto elithile, so it's about uNkulunkulu nawe. That's it. So we are learning a lot laphayana, learning a lot bekuningi bekwenzeka nabantwana, they are taken care of while abazali be-attenda nabantwana nabo baya-attenda ku-ministry yabo. Kumnandi kakhulu. So besino Eddie James namanye ama-speakers from overseas. So ngithandile nje u-Eddie James uma ngabe ake simlale kancane. Okay, so bekukuningi bekwenzeka and futhi kuyamela lapha kakhulu umuntu since siba nama-challenges in life. I do remember 2022 whereby my last born passed on, edlule emhlabeni. If it wasn't for this Faith Network, Faith Broadcasting Network, angazi ngabe ngizani mhlawumbe ngabe nga-admithwa kade kwenzeka okunye ngaphambili kwalokho, kodwa because of this network nayo-ke because of God owangenza ukuthi ngixhumane nale network, so ngakwazi ukuthi kube ngifunda izinto eziningi kuyo ezingelaphayo.